Well, hey again everyone, this is Bob from Hot Rock Central, and in this video I'm going to explain some tips and tricks on maintaining your lithium bank to keep a good balance on it. Now just last night I did a capacity test on this bank, and I brought it down to about 5% of its capacity, and once you pass its lower knee, which is about 3.1 volts, then you'll notice on your app that your cell balance will start wandering all over the place. All right, so anyways, now that it's charging back up, the cells got out of balance on the discharge, and I expected that they would come back up on balance when it passed the upper knee. So when the upper knee hit, I had one cell here that was going rogue and going higher than the rest of them. So what I did was I shut down the charging, and I stuck this 6-volt light bulb here across that the post on that #1 battery there, and I'm letting it discharge that battery down to where the rest of the cells are, and then I'll turn the charging back on again, and if it starts running up again, then I'll shut it down again and just keep on doing that until eventually they'll stay balanced. Now on the other side of the coin, if you've got a rogue cell that's actually way lower than the rest of them, then what you do is you do just the opposite. Instead of a light bulb, you'll take a bench charger, which you should have, and stick it on the cell there, but you keep the charging going while you're doing it. Turn on your bench charger, and you can put it over 3.65. You can go up to 4 volts. What you want to try to do is you want to try to push as many amps into that lower cell than the rest of them to get it up to the rest of them as fast as you can. So you can go a little bit higher than 3.65 as long as you're not already at 3.65, because you don't want to go over that. So anyways, that's a little trick there for maintaining your lithium cells. And that's all I've got for this one. So over and out. See you on the next one.